Ayan na. Birthday na ni Ate Anya. Magka-countdown tayo guys. In 10, 9, 8. Alas 12 na pala. Happy birthday, Ate! Happy birthday! How old are you, Ate? You're 12.
Happy birthday.
3, 2, 1, go! Happy birthday, Ate! Happy birthday, Ate! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ate Anya!
Yay! Happy birthday, Ate!
Anong wish mo, Ate?
I don't have a wish.
You don't have a wish?
How old are you? You're 12?
How about you, Mommy? What's your wish for Ate?
My wish for Ate Anya is to be always healthy, and Ate, you should study harder. Okay?
Study harder.
Okay? Because now, mag-junior high school ka na. Okay?
Yes, high school na si Ate. Hindi pa decided kung saan pupunta sa school si Ate. Pero ang wish ko kay Ate, kumain ng maayos. And always listen and have fun. How about si Bochi?
What's your wish for Ate? Basahan natin sa atin. Basahan natin sa ating story. Huh?
Babush. Umaya na ulit.
Little longer than a few minutes later.
Happy birthday, Ate Anya! Ayan, so nag-order lang kami, quick drive-thru lang. Kasi si Ate Anya ay gusto ng ice cream since last week. Pero di ko pinayagan.
Kaya lalay na lang po, sir. Serve ko na lang.
Okay, thank you. Ayan. Ayan nga, nag-quick drive-thru lang tayo kasi nga si Ate Anya gusto ng ice cream. Eh, hindi ko pinayagan kasi syempre kakagaling lang ni Ate yung kasakit din. So, sabi ko, hindi. No. Never. Pero eto nga, since medyo okay naman si Ate, dito muna tayo. Yellow lanes. So yun. Tingnan natin yung order natin. At tayo bobochi with the bochi. Happy birthday, Ate Anya! Wow, you should be thinking of a wish, of a birthday wish. Nothing?
No.
Maybe later?
No.
No. Kasi simple lang talaga to si Ate. Very simple girl. Wala siyang gusto masyado. Gusto niya talaga have fun lang. With the bochi, with the sister. Diba? Yan. So, maybe mamaya, baka meron siyang ma-reveal. Tingnan natin. Yung pala. Let's just celebrate life. Like Ate. Okay, madilim. Mamaya na ulit. Babush. Ayun na mga ka-alright, no? It's been a while. And medyo busy naging talaga tayo. Naging busy talaga tayo this past few weeks. Kasi kailan pa yung last upload ko, parang yung nag-apply si Ate Anya sa Las Piñas site.
Few minutes later.
Ayan, tuloy lang natin. Dumating kasi yung food natin at binigay sa atin ni Kuya. So, kompleto naman. Ayun, it's been a while. Nakakamiss din yung iba-vlog natin yung mga happening sa buhay natin. Pero nga, medyo may mga changes. So, naging busy tayo this past few weeks and hindi tayo nakapag-follow up sa mga vlogs natin. Pero hopefully, magsunod-sunod tayo ngayon kasi syempre gusto kong i-vlog itong birthday ni Ate. So, let's see. Kaya lang, may lalabas sa sasakyan. So, yun. Dito muna. And, babush. Maya ulit. Uwi na muna tayo at kakain. Let's go. Let's go.
8 hours later.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Pastor! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. birthday to you!
Ate, blow your candle and make a wish.
Oh, I don't have a wish. For free Robux.
Happy birthday, ate!
Eh, oh, kain na guys, kain na, kain na.
Teka, let's give them plates.
Ako na rin mali. Ay, look, oy, di mo talaga.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Lia, clap your hands.